Friends, welcome back to Davangere Tutorials for English. Analysis of the poem Grandma Climbs a Tree. Friends, welcome back to Davangere Tutorial. In today's class, we are going to learn about Grandma Climbs a Tree, a poem written by Ruskin Bond. It's a very beautiful poem. Let's learn in detail. Let's know about the poet Ruskin Bond. He was born in Kasoli in 1934 in India. Let's study about his famous works, especially The Room on the Roof, The Angry River, and The Blue Umbrella. These are his famous novels. His autobiography, Scenes from a Writer's Life. This poem reflects that theme. Let's know the description of the poem. Grandma Climbs a Tree is a simple poem written by Ruskin Bond. It's a very beautiful poem. In this poem, the poet recalls his memories with Granny. In this poem, the poet calls his Granny a real genius. Because she could climb trees spreading her high. It doesn't matter for her. When last she climbed up a tree, she was 62-year-old. Very, very old. But she climbed a tree. Ever since her childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. She feels very happy on a tree. That's her nature. As she grew old, everybody told her to give up climbing trees. But she never listened to them. You may call her adamant, but she refused to obey them. She had that kind of confidence in her. She learnt climbing trees from her loving brother when she was 6 years old. Look at her. She was climbing a tree. But everybody feared that one day she would have a terrible fall. After the rescue, the doctor took her temperature and advised her a quite weak in bed. It was a difficult decision for her to lie down in bed. Confined to her bedroom, she felt like she was in hell. It was very difficult for her to stay in, being a nature lover. How can she? She held her peace till she felt stronger and confident again to climb a tree. One day, after the recovery, she called her son and ordered him undaunted to build a tree house what she all wanted. He obeyed her. With expert assistance, he soon built a treehouse for Granny. He fulfilled the promise he had made. Granny moved to her heaven treehouse happily and lived over there. At the end, the poet and his granny would sit and have a drink together. She loves to have sherry, upholding a right to live on a tree. Thus the poet calls his granny a genius, a real genius. The poet is nostalgic in the treatment of the theme of the poem. He recalls his past, and this poem reflects his love for nature and the things of the past. Friends, please subscribe our channel Davangere Tutorials for English. Just click on subscribe button, please.